Hi Brainbox, welcome to our YouTube channel. Since we were already done with our individual discussion on percentage decrease and increase, we will now be putting them together, and it is going to be our topic for today. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. To begin with, let us have first a review on the formulas we have just discussed in the preceding videos, for these will be of great help in answering the problems later. Let us have the formula for computing the amount of percentage decrease and increase, which are as follows. Percentage increase equals new value minus old value, divided by old value. Percentage decrease equals old value minus new value, divided by old value. We also have the formula for solving the old and new values, which are old value plus percentage increase times old value equals new value, or old value minus percentage decrease times old value equals new value. There is also an alternative formula that will help us become more efficient in solving for the new and old values. These are the following. To solve for the old value equals new value, divided by 1 plus percentage increase. Or old value equals new value, divided by 1 minus percentage decrease. To solve for the new value equals old value times 1 plus percentage increase. Or new value equals old value times 1 minus percentage decrease. Now that we have already looked back at the formulas, we can now proceed to the examples to allow us also to have a better understanding of the topic at hand. First example, 2022 GDP equals unknown. 2020 GDP equals 208 billion. Percentage change from 2020 to 2021 equals negative 20%. Percentage change from 2021 to 2022 equals 35%. Based on the given facts, we can easily tell that the new value, which is the latest GDP, is the value we will be solving for. But we have to be extra careful when it comes to picking the values to be used and determining the trend of the percentage changes. Moreover, it is quite obvious that there was a decrease in GDP between 2020 and 2021, while it was provided that there was an increase in 2022. After which, we can now proceed to the solution part, which will then require us to simply apply the substitution method. New value equals old value times 1 minus percentage decrease. New value equals 208 billion times 0.20. New value equals 208 billion times 0.80. We get new value equals 166.4 billion GDP in 2021. To solve for the latest GDP, we will be using the GDP in 2021. New value equals old value times 1 plus percentage increase. New value equals 166.4 billion times 1 plus 0.35. New value equals 166.4 billion times 1.35. Hence, we get new value equals 224.64 billion GDP in 2022. Let's proceed to our next example. The passing rate in the October 2022 CPALE was 22% higher than that of May 2023, and this was seen as due to the change in the curriculum. This has resulted in an expectation of at least 15% increase in the passing rate for the upcoming October 2023 CPALE. If it is expected to have a minimum passing rate of 40% this coming October 2023, what was the passing rate last October 2022? For this item, The only given value is the expected passing rate, so this will require a workback. But before that, we need to identify what is the missing value we need to solve for, which is apparently the passing rate last October 2022 CPALE. And since this is something that happened already in the past, we are looking for the old value. It is only up until this time when we could start working on the solution. Since we are solving for the value before any percentage change, we need to solve for the two missing values, the one before the expected percentage increase, and the other one after the percentage decrease. Solution for the May CPALE passing rate. Old value equals new value divided by 1 plus percentage increase. Old value equals 40% divided by 1 plus 0.15. Old value equals 40% divided by 1.15. We get old value equals 34.78%. May 2023 CPALE passing rate. To find the October 2022 CPALE passing rate, we use the May 2023 CPALE passing rate. Old value equals new value divided by 1 minus percentage increase. Old value equals 34.78% divided by 1 minus 0.22. Old value equals 34.78% divided by 0.78. Hence, we get old value equals 44.59%. October 2022 CPALE passing rate. Since we were already able to have a few examples, let us now proceed to our practice exercises to assess and measure your understanding and learning progress on this topic. There will only be 3 items, and you have 1 minute to answer each item. Good luck! Number 1. First quarter average grade equals 82.5. Percentage change from first quarter to second quarter equals 10%. Percentage change from second quarter to third quarter equals negative 5%. Percentage change from third quarter to fourth quarter equals 8%. Find the average grade in fourth quarter. Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 93.11. Since the values are already given, we can immediately substitute the values to the formula, but it is important that we begin with analyzing the problem. As provided, there were 3 percentage changes, which only means that we are going to solve for 3 different values, and the last value to be solved will serve as our final answer. New value equals old value times 1 plus percentage increase. New value equals 82.5 times 1 plus 0.1. New value equals 82.5 times 1.1. New value equals 90.75. Second quarter average grade. We will use the second quarter average to find the third quarter average grade. New value equals old value times 1 percentage decrease. New value equals 90.75 times 1 to 0.05. New value equals 90.75 times 0.95. New value equals 86.21, third quarter average grade. Lastly, we will use the third quarter average grade to find the fourth quarter average grade. New value equals old value times 1 plus percentage increase. New value equals 86.21 times 1 plus 0.08. New value equals 86.21 times 1.08. Hence, we get new value equals 93.11, fourth quarter average grade. Number 2. When Manny was 14 years old, he only weighed 30 kilograms, so his parents bought him vitamins for him to take, which resulted in an 80% weight increase in just 2 months. This bothered his parents, who then suggested a diet plan, which led to a 20% weight decrease in a matter of 6 months. Find Manny's present weight. Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 43.2 kilograms. For this item, we first look for keywords that would help us know the trend of the percentage change, whether increase or decrease. And for this problem, it is no longer a problem because already indicated in the problem itself that the first percentage change was an increase, while the second was a decrease. After which, we can go directly to the process of substituting these values to the formula. New value equals old value times 1 plus percentage increase. New value equals 30 times 1 plus 0.8. New value equals 30 times 1.8. New value equals 54 kilograms, Manny's weight after 2 months of taking vitamins. We will use Manny's weight after 2 months of taking vitamins in finding Manny's present weight. New value equals old value times 1 minus percentage decrease. New value equals 54 times 1 minus 0.2. New value equals 54 times 0.8. Hence, we get new value equals 43.2 kilograms, Manny's present weight. Number 3. During the last quarter, ABC Company was able to earn 159,390 pesos profits from its conduct of operations. During the last 3 quarters, the trend was inconsistent. In fact, from the first quarter to second quarter, there was a 30% decline in profits. But its efforts of trying to redeem itself were effective as the rise was really felt in the third and last quarters, as evidenced by 15% and 20%, respectively. How much was its profit in the first quarter? Timer starts now. time is up. The correct answer is 165,000 pesos. Similar to the first item, we will also be solving for 3 different values, wherein the last value to be solved will be our final answer. However, unlike in the previous 2 items, we will be solving for the old value here, so we will be doing a workback. Moreover, there are also keywords that would let us know the trend of the percentage change that resulted in such values, which, in this particular problem, were the words decline and rise, indicating that during the second quarter there was a percentage decrease, while for the last 2 quarters, there was a percentage increase. From here, we can now use the formula and directly substitute the given values to it. But take note that the formula to be used is the one that we use when we solve for the old value. Old value equals new value, divided by 1 plus percentage increase. Old value equals 159,390, divided by 1 plus 0.2. Old value equals 159,390, divided by 1.2. Old value equals 132,825, third quarter profits. We will use the third quarter profits to solve for the second quarter profits. Old value equals new value, divided by 1 plus percentage increase. Old value equals 132,825, divided by 1 plus 0.15. Old value equals 132,825 divided by 1.15. Old value equals 115,500, second quarter profits. Lastly, we will use the second quarter profits to solve for the first quarter profit. Old value equals new value, divided by 1 minus percentage decrease. Old value equals 115,500, divided by 1 minus 0.3. Old value equals 115,500 divided by 0.7. Hence, we get old value equals 165,000 pesos, first quarter profits. That's a wrap. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.